Hello friends and welcome back to the HSC Coach. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic which is hot work safety. If you work in construction, shutdown project, fabrication yard, factories or maintenance activities, then this toolbox talk is for you. Because hot work is one of the leading causes of workplace fires and explosions. And honestly, many hot work accidents happen because workers ignore simple safety precautions. So please watch this video carefully till the end. First of all, let's understand what hot work actually means. Hot work includes any activity that can create spark, flames, heat, molten metals. Examples include welding, gas cutting, grinding, brazing, soldering. So these are the examples. These activities may look normal on site, but they can become extremely dangerous if proper precautions are not followed. Now let me share a real site example. At one industrial project, a worker was doing grinding work near store paint thinner container. Nobody checked the area properly before starting the job. During grinding, spark travels several meters and reached the flammable materials. Within seconds, fire started spreading. Workers panicked and the entire area had to be evacuated. Guys, this incident happened because of poor housekeeping and lack of risk assessment. Always remember this, hot work and flammable materials should never be together. Before starting any hot work, remove combustible materials, check surrounding areas, use fire blankets if needed, keep fire extinguishers nearby. Now let's talk about the hot work permit. Many workers think the permit is just paperwork, but actually the permit is there to save lives. A proper hot work permit confirms the area is inspected, fire hazards are controlled, gas testing is completed if required, fire extinguisher is available, fire watch is assigned. Never start hot work without authorizations. Even a small welding job can create a major fire. Here is another real site example. At one shutdown project, welding work was happening inside the confined area. The workers did not test the atmosphere properly. There was flammable gas present inside the space. As soon as welding started, a flash fire occurred. Two workers suffered serious burn injuries. Guys, this is why gas testing is extremely important, especially in tanks, vessels, pipelines, confined spaces. Never assume the area is safe. Always test before starting work. Now let's discuss the fire watch responsibilities. A fire watch is not just someone standing nearby doing nothing. The fire watch persons must monitor spark, watch surrounding areas, keep extinguisher ready, stop unsafe work immediately, and remember, fire can start even after the work is completed. That's why post-work monitoring is very important. Some fires start 30 minutes later because hidden sparks remain active. Another common mistake on site is poor housekeeping. Guys, hot work area should always be clean. Do not allow oil spills, paper waste, wooden materials, cloth pieces, chemical containers near hot work activities. Good housekeeping prevents fire hazards. Now let's talk about PPE. During hot work, workers should always wear welding helmet or face shield, fire resistance gloves, safety shoes, protective clothing, safety goggles. Never do welding or grinding without eye and face protections. One spark can permanently damage your eyesight. Here is one more real incident. A worker was cutting metal without using a face shield properly. A hot metal particle entered his eyes and the injury was serious and he required surgery. All this happened because he ignored basic PPE. Guys, PPE may feel uncomfortable sometimes, but accidents are much worse. Another important point is ventilations. During welding and cutting, harmful fumes and smoke are generated. If ventilation is poor, workers may suffer breathing problems, dizziness, eye irritations, long-term lung damage. Always ensure proper ventilations during hot work activities, especially in confined or enclosed areas. So before ending this toolbox talk, let's quickly remember the important hot work safety rules. Never start work without hot work permit, remove flammable materials from the area, keep fire extinguisher nearby, conduct gas testing when required, use proper PPE, maintain good housekeeping, assign trained fire watch, ensure proper ventilation, stop work if unsafe conditions are found. Remember guys, one small spark can cause a huge disaster. Never take hot work safety lightly. If you found this video useful, please like the video, share it with your co-workers and subscribe to the HSC Coach for more safety training videos. Thanks for watching, stay safe, stay alert and see you in the next video.